step into the 2006 Buick Lucerne CXL. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 4-wheel disc brakes, ABS, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, automatic headlights, auxiliary audio input, bucket seats, child safety locks and climate control. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.